Hi, this is William here, and today we're going to talk about SEO and on-page versus site page, and this will be part 1. 2012 was a volatile year for search engine optimization industry. Google released a number of algorithm updates, including the exact match domain EMD update, 13 Panda updates, changed actual search results pages, unnatural link warnings through Google Webmaster Tools, the knowledge graph, and the list goes on. If the past is any indication, the trajectory that the industry will continue to change and evolve, and effective campaigns will be maintained through a diverse and holistic perspective to SEO. So here are my top tips that I think should be on everyone's radar. Google Plus communities. It's no secret that Google is using the data gleaned from Google Plus to return more socially influenced search results. Google's latest endeavor is the new Communities feature for Google+, which allows users to create and join communities based on common interests. With AuthorLink becoming more of a factor in search engine optimization, you should be leveraging Google+ communities to build your own community of influencers and content producers. And then social signals. In Google Webmaster's video from 2010, Matt Cutts mentioned that data from social sites, such as followers of a brand, for example, is being used to influence rankings in the same way that Google's PageRate did in years past. While social signals are just a piece of the overall ranking pie, integrating social media into a campaign should be part of your SEO strategy. If we take a look at some of the ranking factors in the U.S., Facebook shares is the number one in terms of ranking on Google, and the number of backlinks, and then Facebook total, Facebook comments, and then Facebook likes, tweets, and then backlinks, and then keyword and the domain name, percent of backlinks with keyword, percent backlinks with stop word, and then image count, and then keyword and URL, and then keyword and description. The rest of these are considered negative, and that's keyword and title, keyword and H1, the character length, adverse blocks, add links, and then add sense, and position a keyword in the title character, and position a keyword in the title word, and word count. So then AuthorRank is a metric that Google is using to measure the authority or reputation of the author of a content on the web. Authors who write about specific topics will be able to increase their authority and subsequently their author rank by tying their content to their Google Plus profile, and also through +1s achieved on the content itself. Google's Authorship team recently said, as part of the Google Authorship pilot program, we're experimenting with different ways to identify and highlight authors in search, such as having people implement authorship markup or signing up on the site. And then there's link removal. Websites that have unnatural links in their portfolios and have been notified by Google about a manual spam action can now disavow those links through their Google Webmaster Tools account. As the industry has shifted away from link building and is incorporating more link earning methods, this tool is something that every SEO consultant should be aware of. That concludes the Part 1 presentation on SEO on page versus site page. And this is William. I'll see you the next time. In the meantime, take a look at my blog site, wbweeksjr.com.